Video Ranking Academy with Sean Cannell. This is a new and updated, full and honest review about Sean Cannell's brand new Video Ranking Academy course. Now, I am an affiliate for Sean Cannell's Video Ranking Academy course, and this is one of the main things that he teaches you inside of the course. So all of those other reviews out there that say it's an honest review about the course and they've watched all of the course modules and they are not an affiliate for Sean Cannell, I don't really understand how they can watch all of his modules and not follow what he teaches. So in this video, I want to show you how you can follow and implement exactly what he teaches inside of Video Ranking Academy and how you can be successful, because I want to show you the exact results that I got from following Sean Cannell's course. Let's not waste another second and get right into it. So most of the time in a review, I'm going to break down what's inside of the course. But before I do that, I want to take you back to the start of this YouTube channel so that you can see where I was at before I bought the Video Ranking Academy course, and you can see the results that I got once I'd gone through the modules. What Sean teaches you inside of Video Ranking Academy is golden. It's going to help you start your business on YouTube. It's going to help you go full-time on YouTube just like I have. I'm now living the dream, creating videos for this YouTube channel for you guys specifically, and smash that like button if you're enjoying these videos that we create for you. And that's the main reason why I want you to find out more about Video Ranking Academy, because it can change your life. Now let's jump onto my laptop and let me show you some of the results that we've got on this channel from Video Ranking Academy. Just a quick summary: we've managed to get over 2 million views and more than 8,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel using the formulas that Sean Cannell teaches within Video Ranking Academy. So let's jump onto the laptop and let me show you some awesome results. So I purchased Video Ranking Academy in November of 2018. And you can see once I started learning the modules and implementing what Sean Cannell teaches us inside of Video Ranking Academy, you can see the views started to flow. Now, it took me a while to get momentum and get used to implementing what Sean was teaching us, but on the 24th of February, we crossed over 1,000 views a day. And that's when it really started to kick into gear and the channel really started to grow. And we kicked it up a notch and started getting to a peak of 8,000 views in one single day. Now, this has all got to do with ranking videos inside of YouTube search. And this is the main thing that his modules teach you inside of Video Ranking Academy. Once you can rank a video inside of YouTube search, you can get views while you sleep. And this is the golden opportunity that we have right now on YouTube. And I really want you to take advantage of this opportunity. There's so much opportunity for you to help so many people all over the world with your videos. So think about what kind of videos you can create that can actually help people, that delivers value to someone on their phone or on their laptop right in front of them, anywhere in the world, no matter where they are. So start getting excited, because this is really, really exciting stuff. If you can implement what you learn inside of Video Ranking Academy, you can get results just like we have, getting over 2 million views on your YouTube channel. If that's not something to get excited about, then I don't know what is. If you're keen to get 2 million views on your YouTube channel, then let us know in the comments section down below. Give us a thumbs up in those comments and let us know what kind of videos you're creating on your YouTube channel. Now, the new and updated Video Ranking Academy is not cheap. It is an expensive course, but you need to understand that this is an investment in your future. If you want to create the life that you dream about, that you envision living in the future, then you need to invest in your personal development. And the Video Ranking Academy course was the best investment that I've made for myself and for this YouTube channel. At the moment, the new and updated Video Ranking Academy is $2,997. So it is a really expensive course. But if you click on the link in the description down below, there's a special offer for you that Sean Cannell is currently running, and I want you to take advantage of it today. So click on that link and let me show you how you can take advantage of this discount. Once you've clicked on the link, it's going to take you to this Video Ranking Academy special page, and it's going to give you a single payment option and 12 monthly payments. Now let's scroll down to the bottom and let me show you how much those payments are going to be. Now this special page will give you two payment options. There's a single payment option of $997, so that's a massive discount. And then there are 12 payments of $97. If you want to go into the payment plan, that's going to be easier for you to invest in yourself and your business, then you can go with the 12 payment option. These are the two options that you have. Now let me show you the 7-step process that Sean's going to take you through inside of the course. The 7 core modules are: module number 1, reverse engineer your YouTube success. Module number 2, research and the right way. This is discovering keywords and video ideas that will rank inside of search engines like YouTube and Google. Now module 2 is the most important module and the best bang for your buck that you're going to get. This is where you really need to dive in and go really deep in understanding how to find keywords that you are going to be able to rank videos for, that are going to help you reach people that you can help on YouTube. Module number 3 is recording, how to record the ultimate video framework. Module number 4 is to release your video the right way. Module number 5 is to rank your video, and this is taking you through the best practices in order to optimize your video for search. Module number 6 is rapid revenue, how to make money. And this is where Sean takes you through how to become an affiliate, just like I am for Sean's course. And there are so many other affiliate programs that you can become a part of. Some of the other affiliate programs that we are a part of is the Amazon affiliate program, as well as the TubeBuddy affiliate program and the vidIQ affiliate program. Now you can join as many of these affiliate programs as you want, as long as you're honest about your information that you're giving to the people and you're helping people with tools that are actually going to add benefit to their lives and to their videos. So make sure that you don't go and promote something just because you want to make money. I promote Video Ranking Academy because I know it's given me the results that I wanted, and I know that if you take it, you will also get these results. If you put the work in, you can grow your own YouTube channel so that you can have a full-time business online. And module number 7, which is probably the most important, is to repeat and rock it to success. You can't just do this once off. You can't create one video and think your channel is going to grow exponentially. You need to repeat this process. You need to keep creating content on a consistent basis, and YouTube will reward you, as well as your viewers will reward you for creating consistent, valuable content that actually helps them. Now, if you have any questions or queries about Video Ranking Academy or about the course, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to help you out. I know that Sean and the Think Media team has put so much effort into building out the best possible course that they could to teach you how to rank videos inside of YouTube search. Once you understand the magic of the search engine optimization on YouTube, you won't ever look back, and it can change your life for the good. So I can't wait for you to get started. Let's not waste another second and start building towards your future. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you have any more questions or anything you want to ask me about Video Ranking Academy, let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.